Hello everyone. MaxBot is here. If your goal is to grow your trading account while gaining a clearer understanding of how the market works, I'd like to introduce an interesting approach that combines modern artificial intelligence with your own trading skills and decision-making process. Right now, I'll place 2 trades and demonstrate how this free trading assistant operates. You can get permanent access to it through the link provided in the description. If you enjoy this type of content, leave a like, and let's get started. Take a look at the bot's interface. First, I select a currency pair from the available list. For this example, I choose the Australian dollar and US dollar. After that, I open the Pocket Option platform and select the same asset there. Next, I set the trade duration to 5 minutes and choose an investment amount of $30. Everything is prepared and ready to go. Now I switch to Telegram and activate the 5-minute analysis option. As you can see, the neural network begins processing market data and soon generates a signal indicating a potential downward movement. In other words, the artificial intelligence serves as an analytical assistant that helps evaluate possible market opportunities. Let's return to the broker platform, review the chart, and then enter the position. Following the signal, I press the sell button and open the trade. Now we can observe how the price behaves from the moment of entry. By the way, access to this neural network is currently available completely free of charge. Simply use the link in the description to open the Trading Bot interface and follow the instructions for connecting the analytical system. Once connected, you'll gain access to all available artificial intelligence features. The platform provides an unlimited number of signals every day. If you need assistance at any stage, you can contact the manager, who will help with registration and account verification on Pocket Option. The manager's contact information can also be found in the video description. It's worth mentioning that the bot demonstrates an accuracy rate of up to 85%, which is considered a strong result and can help newcomers identify potentially profitable opportunities. At the same time, your own market understanding remains extremely important. Continue learning technical analysis, studying price behavior, and developing trading discipline. The most consistent results are usually achieved when artificial intelligence tools are combined with personal market analysis. One of the most valuable advantages of this neural network is its ability to consider the current news environment. Most traders know that economic releases and political events can significantly influence market direction. For beginners, interpreting news and understanding its impact can be challenging. The neural network simplifies this task by incorporating news-related factors into its signal generation process. In addition, the bot continuously tracks 12 market indicators in real time, allowing its algorithms to identify potential price movements with impressive precision. Professional AI-based trading systems are often expensive, but at the moment you have the opportunity to activate this trading assistant for free and use it without limitations. You'll find the access link in the description below. If you found this demonstration useful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you won't miss future videos. I'd also love to hear about your own experience with artificial intelligence in trading. Share your thoughts in the comments and let everyone know whether you use AI tools and what results they have helped you achieve. And as always, remember that the best approach is to combine neural network signals with your own trading logic and market analysis. Let's take a closer look at the chart in the TradingView terminal and conduct a technical analysis. For clarity, I'd like to highlight key support and resistance areas. In the past, I've observed price movement upward from a support area. However, I want to emphasize that, in my opinion, we're currently seeing a classic resistance area at work. The price is falling and lower highs are forming. These are local resistance areas. The price bounces back from such zones. I'm confident that the trading bot gave an accurate signal, and the price will continue to move downward in my trading. For many beginner traders, the main obstacle to progress is often not the market itself, but the lack of consistency in their own actions. Newcomers frequently make decisions based on emotions, jump between different strategies, follow every new signal they see, and eventually become frustrated because they cannot clearly understand why some trades bring profits while others end in losses. This is one of the key reasons why studying trading charts and maintaining a trading journal are so valuable from the very start. A price chart allows a trader to observe how the market behaves in different conditions. It helps reveal how trends develop, where important support and resistance areas emerge, and how buyers and sellers influence price movement during active market periods. As beginners spend more time analyzing charts, they gradually move away from the idea that price movements are completely random. Instead, they begin to recognize recurring patterns and understand the logic behind many market reactions. This process strengthens analytical thinking, patience, and discipline, which are among the most important qualities for long-term success. Keeping a trading journal is just as beneficial. It provides an opportunity to review every trade objectively and learn from both successes and mistakes. When traders record the reasons behind their entries, their emotional state, the outcome of each position, and any errors they made, the entire trading process becomes more transparent and easier to evaluate. Many people assume that experienced traders succeed simply because they always know where the market is going. In reality, professional growth is usually the result of careful analysis, emotional control, and continuous learning. A journal often reveals recurring habits that negatively affect performance. It can highlight issues such as entering trades impulsively, acting out of fear, becoming overly greedy, or trying to recover losses through emotional decision-making. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward eliminating them. Organization is another crucial element of successful trading. Financial markets tend to expose and punish impulsive behavior very quickly. A well-defined trading plan creates structure and provides clear guidelines that help reduce emotional stress. When a trader already knows the conditions required for entering a position, understands where risk limits should be placed, and has predetermined rules for ending the trading session, decision-making becomes much calmer and more rational. A systematic approach helps prevent many of the costly mistakes that occur when emotions take control. Even in today's environment, where advanced neural networks and automated trading technologies are becoming increasingly popular, discipline and proper risk control remain essential. Meanwhile, my trade has come to an end. Note that thanks to the accurate signal, I made a profit. It's a good start, an excellent trading instrument. I'll open a second trade on the 1-minute time frame. I'm investing $40 in accordance with the money management rules, and I also want to change the currency pair. I'll choose the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. Now, let's go to the Telegram interface, find the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar currency pair, and click the 1-minute button. After analyzing, the trading instrument gives a sell signal, so I go to the market and open a trade in accordance with the signal. One of the fundamental principles of risk management is that the amount invested in a single trade should not exceed 3% of the total trading balance. At first glance, this rule may appear overly conservative, especially to beginners who dream of achieving rapid results. A rational approach allows traders to stay composed even when several trades end unsuccessfully because properly limited risk prevents serious damage to the overall account balance. Consistency in trading is not built on emotions, excitement, or the desire to recover losses quickly. It comes from discipline, patience, market analysis, and strict adherence to risk management principles. When a beginner combines regular chart analysis, a well-maintained trading journal, a clear trading strategy, and sound money management practices, the entire trading process becomes more structured, logical, and professional. I would also like to mention that the content of my videos should not be considered financial advice or investment recommendations. I simply demonstrate how I use my own trading approach and how I interpret signals generated by artificial intelligence based on my personal market analysis. Every trader is different, and individual results may vary. Now let's summarize today's trading session. The combination of technical analysis and high-quality artificial intelligence signals can help traders make more informed decisions and work toward greater consistency. As a reminder, the trading bot featured in this video is currently available free of charge through the link in the description, and access remains available on a permanent basis. Trade responsibly, follow your trading plan, respect money management rules, and always focus on long-term consistency rather than short-term emotions. This was the MaxBot channel. See you in the next video.